Hey, what's up guys? Welcome. Xiaomi in 2018 announced the Pocophone F1, which was so damn good at a brilliant price that it was a genuine competitor and a risk for the OnePlus phones, which are getting expensive year by year. But in 2019, weirdly, they forgot about it. Yeah, the K20 Pro was kind of a Poco F2, but it lacked the charm and look of the Poco. But well guys, worry no more. Today I have got the best news for the Poco fans. So according to a new leak, Xiaomi has filed a trademark application for a device which is named, any guesses? Yes, Poco F2. The Pocophone F1 was its global name and it had the name Poco F1 in India. And judging by that, Poco F2 will be its Indian name, and for the international market, it will probably be named as the Pocophone F2, which is like
potato.
This pretty much confirms the existence of the Pocophone F2. It is now definitely in works, but still, if you have some doubts and think that this might be fake or misleading, so I am here to make you believe that the Pocophone F2 is indeed real. It's not uncommon for Xiaomi officials to leak sensitive information on Twitter or other official websites, which they also did for the Poco F2. The head of the Pocophone division, Alvin took it to Twitter and confirmed the existence of the Pocophone F2. In a now deleted tweet, Alvin replied to a comment asking about the Pocophone F2, and his answer was that you will hear more from Poco in 2020. I don't think that we need any more evidence to prove that the Xiaomi Pocophone F2 is real. It is in works and it will be announced later this year. How much later this year? Well, there is no official release date about that, but looking back to the original Poco F1 that was announced in August, but because they have had a lot and lots of time to develop the Poco F2, it is expected to launch before August, probably in the April, May or June months. So yeah, there is still some time left for the Poco F2 and Xiaomi still has time to work on this phone and make it as good as a $900 phone while costing about $300-ish. As of now, we have absolutely no idea about the specifications of the Poco F2, but for sure it will use high-end technology like the Snapdragon 865. Now, talking about that, there is a problem with the Snapdragon 865 in the Poco F2, which is that the 865 is 5G enabled, and just because of that, the chipset is expensive, and Xiaomi definitely don't need 5G for the Poco F2. So it will be interesting to see how they do it. Will they use a different processor like 855 or from other vendors like Samsung or MediaTek, or are they still going to use the Snapdragon 865, which for sure will add to the price? It will be very interesting to see the final product, especially about the processor and the cameras, because Xiaomi just had that 108 megapixel camera smartphone, so would that camera find its way to the Poco F2? We don't know. But you can bet that I will search every deep dark corner of the internet to bring you guys the latest Pocophone F2 news. So to stay updated, just make sure to subscribe to the channel. Also, let me know your thoughts about the Pocophone F2. Are any of you going to buy this beast of a phone for almost 3 times less money than a Samsung or an Apple flagship? Hit the like button so that I will be motivated to make more Pocophone F2 videos. You can follow me on Twitter from the link just below the like button, and as always guys, thanks for watching.